नफरत की आदि पैटी रे बहकी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे आजा रे बापू आजा रे झूठ का बनता गए राज को बापू अपने ही हो गए धोखेबाज आज हमें अपनों से बचा ले आजा रे बापू मेरे
हमारे बापू उनके विचार उनके रास्तों पर ही चलकर होगा जीवन का पुनरुत्थान. Yes, a blend of meticulous point work, flowing and precise, weightless acrobatic movements. Next, I would like to call upon our respected HM man, the sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to say something on this wonderful evening. Ma'am, please.
Once again, I'm very glad that you all are here to make our cultural evening a very special moment. I heartily thankful Mr. S.S. Rathi sir, Director of NSPL. She have given their best to make this evening very colorful with their performance in this cultural night. I believe that by working together, we can take our school to stand high in path of academics, co-scholastic, and in every field. Because successful event. Last but not the least, I thank all the invitees and parents who shared their valuable time with us. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
We feel honored to have with us the Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Shri S.S. Rathi Sir. Sir, you hardly need any introduction. You have made all of us proud by your distinguished work in numerous capacities. The man of distinct vision and the fountainhead of... Now, I request our Honorable Chief Guest to say something on this wonderful evening. Sir, please.
Respected Stafak Sahab, respected Trivedi ji, respected our school ki headmistress, all the टीचिंग स्टाफ और हमारे जो आए हुए चीफ अदर गेस्ट, यहाँ पर आए हुए हमारे पेरेंट्स और हमारे जो बच्चे, स्कूल के बच्चे, जो आज जो यहाँ पर प्रोग्राम हुआ है उसको देखने पर यहाँ पर लगता है कि हमारे बच्चों में कितना टैलेंट है और जो इसके लिए जो तैयारी की है सभी हमारे टीचिंग स्टाफ, जो टीचर्स जिन्होंने इनको तैयार किया है उनको मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहूँगा और साथ में जिनके भी बच्चों ने, जिन पेरेंट्स ने इसके लिए तैयारियों में साथ दिया है वो भी बधाई के पात्र हैं। क्योंकि इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम बिना तैयारी के, बिना पेरेंट्स के, बिना टीचिंग स्टाफ के मेहनत के नहीं हो सकता। और ये जो यहाँ पर प्रोग्राम में जो इन बच्चों ने देखा है, वहाँ बैठे हुए देख रहे थे कि ये किसी भी अच्छे से अच्छा कलाकार भी हम यहाँ बुलाएं तो मेरे ख्याल से उतनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दे सकता जितना ही अच्छा इन बच्चों ने दिया है। तो मैं जो भी इन्वॉल्व हुए हैं इसमें बच्चों को तैयार करवाने में, टीचिंग स्टाफ के बच्चे इतनी ठंड में बैठे हुए हैं, उनको बहुत बहुत प्यार, और वो ज़रूर देख रहे होंगे कि आगे से हम भी इसी तरह का प्रोग्राम करेंगे। तो इसी के साथ मैं पूरे स्कूल मैनेजिंग कमेटी के मेंबर्स, स्टाफ और सबको मैं इसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Now, I would like to call upon our respected Dr. B.K. Thakur, sir, please.
Director of NSPL,
How much talking student?
Shri Rathi ji, Principal OP Jindal School, Raigarh, Shri Trivedi ji, distinguished guests, teachers and dear students. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the entire staff of this prestigious institution for having organized a cultural evening which we have enjoyed the most. Any institution is known by its students and the teachers, and in this respect I do find that the talents we observe, as has been exemplified by Rathi ji, are second to none. I am equally sure that apart from the performance which they have given on the stage today, which we have witnessed, the student must have also excelled in the academics, and as the institution grows in future, the heights of this excellence will continue to rise. This is my firm belief. The cooperation of the parents is always necessary in bringing up the children, apart from the efforts which are being made by the institution. And therefore, I would like to appeal to the parents who have joined this evening with us to cooperate with the institute and see that their wards follow the rules and regulations and devote themselves fully for their studies. And with this combined effort of the teachers, the students and the parents,
a very good evening to all of you, respected Shri B.K. Thakur sir, Principal Director OPJIT, respected Mrs. Archana Trivedi. I sincerely thank Nalwa School for having us invited for such a wonderful show over here. I would like to tell one thing in the words of Swami Vivekananda. He said that education is the manifestation of excellence already within men, and I could see that excellence, the best coming out, and such experience, such exposure to the children definitely add to their personality, and it becomes a kind of very important tool for further propagating education. This experience also teaches them. This also becomes a kind of teaching aid, teaching tool for them. And as it is said by the earlier speakers, without the cooperation of the parent and without hard work, by the teachers, it's very difficult to give it this kind of shape. So my heartiest congratulations to all the teachers and as well as parents also for contributing at their best. And I'm sure that with this kind of effort, if we continue, the school will definitely start performing at par with the excellence. Thank you once again for inviting all of us. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Yukti and Aisha.
आदरणीय और मैडम गुडबोले जी, हम लोग जो हमें निर्णायक के रूप से जो आमंत्रित किया गया है, बच्चों की उम्र और मेहनत को देखते हुए इसमें तो है, हालांकि 4 ही हाउस ने इसमें भाग लिए हैं, लेकिन क्या है 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे क्रम में हमने उनको अपने विचारधारा से आके हैं। इसमें किसी को हताश होने की आवश्यकता नहीं है और सभी ने स्कूल की पढ़ाई के साथ साथ इतनी मेहनत, इतनी लगन, जैसे हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब ने कहा, बिल्कुल सत्य कहा उन्होंने कि अच्छे से अच्छे कलाकार को यहाँ बुलाएं इस मंच में, तो इससे अच्छा कार्यक्रम वो नहीं दे सकते जितना आज इन बच्चों ने स्कूल की पढ़ाई के साथ साथ यहाँ प्रस्तुति दिए हैं। इसके लिए मैं पुनः अपनी तरफ से स्कूल स्टाफ, अभिभावक, बच्चों को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ और मैं मैडम गुडबोले जी से निवेदन करता हूँ कि हमने जो अंक किए हैं के जो कार्यक्रम में सभी ने तो अच्छे ही किए हैं, लेकिन जो विनर के रूप में है वो तिलक हाउस है।
For the winning house. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would request our HM ma'am sir to come onto the stage to receive the honor. Deepak Babu. Our second
A special thanks to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri S.S. Rathi, Director and Plant Head, Nalva Steel and Power Limited. Thanks to our special guest, Dr. D.K. Sthapak, Principal, OPJIT Raigad, for being with us throughout the function. My special thanks to Sri R.K. Trivedi, Principal, OPJS Raigad, for being with us along with his family. My special thanks to the members of the school managing committee. My special thanks to all the parents of the participants for organizing this function so well. Jai Hind. Now I request all of you to stand for the national anthem.
वैसे रहिएगा सब एक बार और। थैंक यू।